on the edge of a quiet little town, where the moon always seemed to shine a little brighter and the breeze always felt a little softer, lived a gentle cat named Milo. Milo was a fluffy, cream-colored cat with big sleepy eyes and the softest paws in the whole neighborhood. Every night, he loved curling up in his favorite armchair near the window, listening to the whispery rustle of the trees outside. One evening, as the sun dipped behind the hills and painted the sky with peach and lavender colors, Milo received a surprise package from his friend, Luna the Inside rabbit. The box was the coziest pair of blue, cloud-patterned pajamas Milo had ever seen. They were soft like a warm hug, light like cotton clouds, and smelled faintly of lavender. Milo's whiskers twitched with excitement. "These are perfect for tonight," he purred softly. After slipping into his new pajamas, he felt so warm and snuggly that he decided to take a tiny walk around the garden to show them off. The air outside was cool and gentle, carrying the scent of jasmine and sleepy flowers that slowly closed for the night. As Milo padded down the garden path, fireflies floated around him like tiny twinkling lamps. The world felt safe, quiet, and magical. But just as he reached the old oak tree, he heard a small rustle behind a bush. "Milo?" whispered a tiny voice. It was Pip the mouse, his shy little friend who lived in a tiny acorn house. Pip stepped out nervously, holding his blanket. I can't sleep," Pip said with a soft squeak. "Tonight feels a little too big." Milo sat down beside him, his pajamas glowing gently in the moonlight. "Nothing is too big when we're together," he said kindly. Pip sniffled. "Your pajamas look very cozy," Milo chuckled. "They really are. Want to walk with me for a bit?" Sometimes a gentle walk can help your heart feel small and safe again. So the two friends began wandering through the peaceful garden together. They listened to crickets singing their soft nighttime song, heard the leaves swaying like quiet lullabies, and watched the stars shimmering like tiny silver dust sprinkled across the sky. The little walk worked. Pip's tiny eyes grew heavier and heavier. "Milo, I think I'm getting sleepy," he murmured. Milo smiled warmly. "Let's take you home." He gently escorted Pip back to his acorn house, tucking him in with care. "Good night, Pip. Remember, the night is soft and you're safe." Pip yawned. "Good night, Milo. Thank you." Feeling happy and peaceful, Milo returned to his armchair. The moon shone through the window, covering him like a glowing blanket. His new pajamas hugged him perfectly warm, fluffy, and filled with kindness. As Milo curled up, he whispered to himself, "Sometimes the coziest nights are the ones we share with friends." The wind hummed a soft lullaby. The trees swayed gently. The stars twinkled like sleepy eyes, and Milo, wrapped in his cloud pajamas, drifted into the calmest, sweetest dreams. Good night, little one. May your night be soft, your dreams be cozy, and your heart be full of kindness, just like Milo's.